guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare a Goan version of snake beans, also known as long beans, or in Konkani, we call them Eeril. Now, whatever name you know this by, this preparation is quick, simple, and just needs minimal ingredients that most houses will have handy. Now, this vegetable preparation is called fugad. It's almost something like the Goan version of a stir fry. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Now you will find the complete written recipe on my website at theaspiringhomecook.com. And as always, I'll leave a link down in the description box. I'm going to use about a spoonful or thereabouts of cooking oil, 1 large onion chopped, 3 green chilies, but I've just split them in half so that you just get a mild warmth from there, you don't get too much of heat, and some salt to taste. And you're going to need a nice big bundle of snake beans or long beans. We've trimmed down both ends of the bean and snapped the bean into little pieces like you can see here. These beans will then be washed and drained before use. In addition, I'm also going to use some grated coconut. I'm not going to use the whole lot that you see here, probably just a tablespoon or 2. You can adjust this amount depending on how much coconut you'd like in your dish. We're going to start off by heating a pan over medium heat, and into the pan goes about a tablespoon worth of oil. Once that oil has heated up, I'm going to add in the chilies carefully and just let the chilies fry off for a few seconds, and I'm then going to add in the chopped onions. Now I'm going to give this a good stir and saute the onions till they've softened and started getting a little color on the edges. Make sure that you stir the onions every once in a while so that they cook through evenly. Now it'll take about a minute or 2 for the onions to get softened and develop a little bit of a color like you can see here. Once it reaches the stage, go ahead and add your beans to the pan. And you're going to stir this well. At this point, I like to keep my heat source on about a medium high so that the beans fry off a tiny bit at the first stage of cooking. Now I let the beans fry off at this temperature for about a minute or 2, stirring every now and then. At this point, I add a little salt to taste. Remember to go easy on the salt. You can always add more later if you need to. Stir that through to distribute the salt. Let the beans fry off for about another minute or so, and then add the tiniest splash of water. I probably at this stage would add just about a couple of tablespoons worth of water. You just want to get the cooking process started off. Cover the pot and let the vegetables cook till tender. Now how much water you need or how long you need to cook the beans for completely depend on how tender and how fresh the beans are. So I'd recommend checking on your beans every now and then and adding more water if the liquid in the pot has dried up but the beans are not yet cooked. Once they turn a paler shade of green, check for seasoning. At this stage, your beans should mostly be cooked. Adjust your seasoning if required and add in a little bit of grated coconut. Like I said, you can add as much or as little coconut as you'd like at this stage. I tend to go with a rough sprinkling over the top like you can see here. And you're going to give it one last good stir to mix that coconut up. Let the coconut warm through. I continue to cook this for about another minute or so after adding the coconut. And once the coconut has warmed through, you're ready to serve it up. This is a beautiful side dish, goes so well with rice or even chapatis. When I was younger, I could eat this and rice, plain boiled rice, almost daily. It has the most beautiful, subtle flavor, but is so tasty and so Moorish. You'll absolutely love it. That's how simple it is, guys, to make a vegetable fugad. Now, there's a bunch of vegetables that can be used with a similar style of cooking, and I hope to show you a few more of those with a few tweaks in future videos. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. Once you do that, go ahead and click on that little bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you know family or friends that you think will enjoy this recipe, please go ahead and share this with them. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.